I'm gonna run that way. If all of a sudden bees start coming out, I'm gonna drop this.
Yeah.
Oh, there's a ball stuck up there. I can get that out too. Oh,
Yeah.
That's a ball.
Yeah, there's a lot of balls up there. If there's so, which way you're gonna run that way? What about me? I'm gonna
run that way too, but you're not gonna get in my way.
I'm gonna. I don't know what way to run.
Up the hill.
Up the hill.
There's a car on the way over there.
What car?
Right there. I don't know. Run whatever you want. I'm going up the street. Don't get in my way.
I'll run it down Old Post Road.
Here we go. You ready?
Yep.
I'm just making sure like there doesn't seem to be anybody waiting there. Doesn't look like it, huh?
Yeah. Run!
Everybody's asleep, Eric.
What?
Degrees out here today, whatever, right? 9 degrees Fahrenheit.
Yeah.
So today it's whatever, 20 degrees out. So nobody is moving. They're all either dead or too cold to move.
Take that, you fuckers. Serves them fucking right, little fucking assholes. It's...
Alright, well, pretty much, what do you think?
Serves
Check
them.
it out, is that good enough?
Someone's over our house.
Who?
I don't know.
Someone delivering a package. I have to go.
Yeah, serves those bees fucking right, those little fucking assholes.
Alright, that looks pretty good. What do you think?
Let me see. What should we do with this? Throw in this pond?
No, open it up, see what's in there.
Yeah, it's pretty good. It's all gone. It's all gone. This is the good thing I like about winter is all the bees are dead. That's the only thing. That's the only thing I like about it.
That's the good part about living out here, right?
Yeah.
All these kind of things die in the winter.
Yeah, like how big do these hives get in Florida?
A lot bigger.
They do?
Yeah.
How much bigger do these hives in Florida get?
A lot bigger.
A lot bigger?
Yeah.
Yeah, well, that's the hive.
There it is.
So disgusting.